Garlic cheese toast. Let's make the garlic butter spread first. 30 grams butter. Garlic. It is much tastier to mince the garlic just before you use it. Mince it. Perfect. It is accurately 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon honey, you can use sugar. Parsley. You need to use softened butter to mix well. You can adjust the amount of garlic and honey as you like. Sliced bread. Fluffy. Cheese which you like. Cut the bread but leave the end uncut so it doesn't separate. Spread the garlic spread. Apply the garlic spread between crevices. You can sprinkle with sugar to enjoy it sweeter, optional. Put it on the parchment paper and bake it in the oven. Bake for 7.5 minutes in preheated oven to 350 F. Adjust if needed. Wow! Delicious smell of garlic butter. Mouth-watering. Super crispy. Easy to eat one by one. Cheese makes it so soft. This time, I will add an egg for breakfast. Apply the garlic spread on one side of bread. Cut out the middle with a cookie cutter or cup, any shape. Any kind of cheese you like. 1 cute egg, in the room temperature. Put toast on the parchment paper. Don't forget the cut piece. A little salt on the egg. Flour on the head. Bake in the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Away from heat sources, adjust. Keep toast in the oven for a while if you want to cook egg more. Crispy. It looks more delicious with an egg. Cut as you like. Wow. Yummy. Crunchy. Egg is soft and toast is really crispy. Cheese and the garlic butter are really good together. You can cook garlic toast on the pan over the gas stove. When cooking on a pan, bake the toast one by one, not too thick. Home alone. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes.